Let's learn about ratio and proportion. Are you ready? Ratios and proportions are essential mathematical concepts that help us compare quantities and understand relationships in real-life situations, from cooking recipes to financial analysis. Question 1. 4 bottles of cola cost £3.60. How much do 9 bottles of cola cost? Answer. To find the cost of 9 bottles of cola, start by finding the cost of 1 bottle. 4 bottles cost £3.60. So, 1 bottle costs £3.60 divided by 4 equals 90 pence. Now multiply by 9. 9 bottles cost 90 pence, multiply by 9 equal to £8.10. Question 2. It takes 4 people 2 days to paint a wall. How long would it take if 8 people painted the wall? Answer. 4 people take 2 days. 8 people will take X days. Since more people equals less time, this is inverse proportion. People multiply by time equals constant. 4 multiply by 2 is equal to 8. 8 multiply by X equals 8X. Therefore equals 8 divide by 8 is equal to 1. 8X equals 8. X equals 8/8 equals 1. Question 3. 1 kilogram of cheese costs £9.68. Chris buys 650 g of this cheese. How much does he pay? Answer. 1 kilogram equals £9.68. Chris buys 650 g equals 0.650 kilograms. Step 2. Multiply to find the cost. 0.650 times 9.68 is equal to 6.2920. Chris pays £6.29, rounded to the nearest penny. Question 4. There are bourbons and digestives in a jar. There are 36 biscuits in total. If 10 of the biscuits are bourbons, find the ratio of bourbons to digestives in its simples form. Total biscuits equals 36. Bourbons equals 10. So, digestives equals 36 subtract 10 is equal to 26. Step 1. Write the ratio. Bourbons, digestives. 10 to 26. Simplify them and you will get 5 to 13. Question 5. The ratio of dogs to cats is 4 to 1. If there are 5 cats, how many animals are there in total? Answer 5. We're given ratio of dogs, cats equals 4 is to 1. There are 5 cats. Step 1. Use the ratio. Since the ratio is 4 dogs for every 1 cat, and there are 5 cats, we multiply both parts of the ratio by 5. Dogs equals 4 times 5 is equal to 20. Cats equals 1 times 5 is equal to 5. Step 2. Add to find total animals. Total animals equals 20 plus 5 equals 25. Challenge yourself. Question 1. Tina has a bag of 42 sweets. The sweets are either orange or pear flavor, and the ratio of orange to pear sweets is 5 is to ratio 2. Find the number of orange sweets and the number of pear sweets in the bag. Challenge question 2. Ollie has a jar that contains 5 pence and 10 pence coins. There are 195 coins in the jar. If the ratio of 5 pence coins to 10 pence coins is ratio 6 is to 7, what is the value of all the money in the jar? Check your answers. Answer 1. Orange equals 30. Pear equals 2. Answer 2. Answer 2. 5 pence 90 multiply by 5. 10 pence is 105 multiply by 10 is equal to 150. Total 1,500p. Or £15. Thanks for watching.